In this video, we are going to learn how to solve problems involving quadrilaterals and general polygons for JAMB Maths. So we're going to practice with 5 repeated questions for JAMB Maths. These are questions I've seen often under this topic, quadrilaterals and general polygon. So let's begin with this first one I have here. It says if the angles of quadrilateral are this expression, find P. Alright, now to find the value of P in this question, you know that a quadrilateral is a polygon that has 4 sides and it equals to 360 degrees. So to find the value of P, we're going to sum everything we have here. This will give you P plus 10 degrees plus 2P. Alright, we have minus 30 degrees plus 3P. Alright, plus 20 degrees plus 4P equals 360 degrees. Alright, so let's collect like terms. We have P plus 2P, that's 3P. 3P plus 3P, that's 6P. 6P plus 4P, we have 10P equals now 360 degrees. This will cross over 20 plus 30 degrees. This will cross over to change to, okay, let's this one cross over before 10. It will cross over change to minus 20 degrees, then minus 10 degrees. So we are left with 10P equals 360 plus 30. We have 390 degrees. 390 degrees minus 20 degrees, we have 370. 370 minus 10, we have 360. Divide both sides by 10. So our P will be what? 36. So that will be the value of P, 36. The correct option is what? Option A. It's as simple as this. So let's wipe this now, solve the next repeated question. So guys, next repeated question will be this question. We have what is the size of each interior angle of a 12-sided regular polygon. So guys, note this formula. This is the formula we apply to find this. Size of an interior angle of a regular polygon, we have it to be, this is the formula for calculating it actually. This is n minus 2 times 180 over n. Okay, so in this question we have the n to be 12. Okay, so we are looking for the size. It will not be, when you plug in the value of n, to be 12 minus 2 times 180 over 12. Alright, so this will give you 12 minus 6, 10 times this, so we are left with 1800 divided by 12. Alright, so let's punch this on the calculator and see what it's going to give us. So this is the JAMB calculator we're going to see. We have 1800 divided by 12. So we have it to be what? 150 degrees. So the size of the interior angle is what? 150 degrees. As simple as this. Alright, so let's wipe this and solve the next repeated question. So guys, next repeated question we're going to solve will be this question. It says the exterior angles of a polygon are given by this expression respectively. Find the value of x. Alright guys, now note that sum of exterior angles of a regular polygon, we have it to be equal to 360 degrees. So to find the value of x here, is going to give us x plus 2x plus 3x, alright, plus 4x plus 5x equals 360 degrees. So when you add everything here, you're going to have 15x equals 360 degrees. Divide both sides by 15. Alright, so 360 divided by 15 will give you 24. Let's verify. 360 divided by 15. So we have it to be what? 24. So the correct option is what? 24 degrees. It's as simple as this. Let's wipe this now and solve the next repeated question. Alright guys, so the next repeated question we're going to solve will be this question. So it says in the diagram above, x has the value. So we're looking for the value of x. To solve this question, this is a quadrilateral. It has 4 sides, which is what? A quadrilateral. So basically, a quadrilateral is a polygon that has 4 sides, and the angle in it, the degree of the angle in it is 360. So we're going to equate, sum these and equate it to 360 degrees. This will give us 3x plus 4x plus 2x plus x equals 360 degrees. So when you sum, you're going to have this will give us 7, 9, 10x equals 360 degrees. Divide both sides by 10. So x will be 36 degrees. So it's as simple as this. Let's wipe this now, solve the last question before you call it a class. Now guys, before you solve the last question, if you are new to our channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel for more of our videos. We really appreciate this, guys. So let's wipe this now, solve the next question, which will be our last question. So guys, the last question we're going to solve will be this question. It says a regular polygon has 150 degrees as the size of each interior angle. How many sides does it have? So for this kind of question, size of an interior angle, we have it to be, this is a formula, 180 times, we have n minus 2, okay, times 180 over n. So in this question, we have the size, a regular plane have 150 degrees as a size to be 150. So this will give us 150 degrees equals, now we are looking for the number of sides. How many sides does it have? N stands for number of sides. So this will give us n minus 2, 180 over n. So when you cross multiply, you're going to have 150 n equals 180 n, okay, minus 360 degrees. So you collect like that, this will cross over and change to negative. So we have 150 n minus 180 n equals minus 360 degrees. This is 3. So when you subtract, you're going to have minus, let me write it where. So you're going to have minus 30 n equals minus 360 degrees. Divide both sides by minus 30, minus 30. So our n will be, this will cancel this, 3 self 1, negative can negative, 36 into 3, so we have it to be 12. Okay, so that will be the answer to this question. So the correct option on this question is what? Option D. So it's as simple as this. This basically can deal with these JAMB repeated questions under quadrilateral and general polygons for your JAMB Maths. So below something interesting from this video. Let's call it a video, guys. If you are new to our channel once more, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of our videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below and I'll be sure to give you a response. Alright, now click on the end screen above and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.